In the field data addition, you can also create text. The text is going to be found in the drafting tab. It's the very first set of commands over here. So a couple things with the text is you can create text simply by picking on the first icon. Again, setting a layer for the text, a style for the text, and some other information such as justification or height. So if I enter in 10 for the height, a rotation angle of 90, no leader line, and then you can put in like smart text and stuff, but down here if I just put in, this is text, the insertion point is going to be where you place it. So right now you can see the middle of justification is center. If I zoom in a little bit, you can see the actual text. So I'm going to go ahead and drop it in here, and now I've added that text to my workspace or my drawing. I can come over here and I can change it and say more text, and then pick an insertion point, and I can drop that in. Now I can come over here and change the height and make it 5 before I drop it in, and you can see that that text is half the size. So you can do other things like rotate. Again, any of these objects you can come into the properties and manipulate any of the properties, such as the text itself. You can drag this grip. I can change the size of this, or I can change the scale of it as well, or the location. So you do have some grip editing capabilities.